Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. Today's recipe is very boozy. It's one of my favorite drinks, which would be a copycat recipe for Bailey's Irish Cream. It's really simple to make, and what I like about this is it's much cheaper to make a homemade version than buying the original one, especially if you use it often. I like using it for desserts, to put a bit in coffee sometimes. It's quite nice. Obviously, it depends on the quality of the ingredients. If you use a very expensive whiskey, then yeah, it's going to be expensive and you might get your husband or partner very angry. So go for the cheap booze. But otherwise, it's very easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy making this with me. The ingredients you need to make your homemade Baileys are 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 can of condensed milk minus 395 milliliters, 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and 1.5 cups of whiskey. Okay, so this is super easy to make. You just need your blender, and what we're going to do is we're basically adding all our ingredients in here. You're going to add your condensed milk, your heavy cream, your whiskey, your vanilla extract, your chocolate syrup, which is the normal thick syrup you use for desserts or to drizzle over ice cream, and your instant coffee, which is also the granules. It's not diluted yet. And you're going to mix, and here comes the important part of the recipe, at very low speed. You're using heavy cream, and if you mix heavy cream at high speed, it turns into whipped cream, and we don't want that to happen. So you have to do it at very, very low speed. Do it for half a minute, until everything is well integrated. As soon as you see that it's well integrated, turn it off, and then you're going to pour it into some previously sterilized bottles. Okay, so we are done making our homemade Baileys. If you really want to keep it authentic, use an Irish whiskey. I used a Scottish one. My husband is a really hardcore fan for whiskey. He loves whiskey, but I was only allowed to grab the one I used in the video, so I used what I have. The whole point is don't go and spend on a certain type of thing. Use whatever you have at home. If you have an Irish or an American or a Scottish one, use the one you have at home. And I mean, it's a mixed drink, so no point using the most expensive stuff. Use something affordable, and it honestly is amazing. Cheers for you guys. Let's try this. It's really good. Really good. You guys are going to really enjoy this recipe, I'm pretty sure. I'm almost 100% sure if you enjoy Baileys. I hope you guys make it, enjoy it, and leave a comment telling me what you think about the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.